Hey, Mr. Bill, what are you doing today?
Today we are going to replace the screen.
Okay.
We're going to replace the trim around the screen, and we're going to replace all this water damaged siding that's down here. And all this other water damaged stuff. So first of all, we'll rip off all the screen, rip off all the water damage, and see how badly it is.
Excellent. Sounds like a fun project. Are you excited?
Oh yeah, totally.
Woohoo!
They got your frustration.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you can't hear the excitement in his voice, it is there. Let me assure you. Demo day is always the most fun day. So like you said, we're ripping out all the screens. He's already determined that the paneling below the windows could not be salvaged. It was all water damage, so now is the best time to replace it. That's always a call that we have to make. You know, sometimes, obviously, we try to do only what's necessary, but if something's already started to rot, this is the best time to take care of it in the right way. So he'll rip out all the screens and we'll kind of show you the steps of the process and what that's going to look like in the end. All right, welcome to our journey.